Welcome back to all you regulars. And for those of you who are new to the channel, I am the Frugal Gardener. This channel is primarily about saving money while you garden. And I also do a series called Gardening Over 40. I am gardening in Zone 7A in West Virginia in the U.S. Welcome to you guys from the UK and elsewhere. Uh, this is an unusual video for me. This is something that is um, out of the ordinary, and I hope you guys spend a few minutes with me. It's going to be a short video, but it's an important video, and this information could help save you a lot of grief down the road. Well, let's get started. A few years ago, seeds started showing up in the U.S. and they were seeds being shipped to people unsolicited, unordered, and they didn't really tell you what was in the package. It got so bad, these seeds were sent all over the US that eventually Amazon stopped accepting them for shipment. So the government got involved and the USDA checked some of these seeds, and for the most part, turns out they were broccoli and beans and that kind of thing. But there were also seeds that were considered invasive. Now, the thing is, nobody really knows for sure where these seeds came from, but I'm going to give you an example of what happened to me. This is an order of seeds that I ordered years ago from Thailand. It takes a while for these seeds to be shipped, 3 or 4 weeks in some cases. And in my case, I did not know. You generally don't know where the seeds are coming from when you order them. I did order these, but for those of you who think this is a hoax or that it's not real, I can assure you that it's not, because back during the first time, yes, the first time, because it's back again. The first time these seeds were shipped out from China, that's the origin of where this problem began, I did receive one of those packs of seeds, and here it is. This is, let's see if I can get a better look. There you go. This is where it was shipped from. Now, I did not order those seeds, but I got them anyway, and I still have them because I didn't open them. As it turns out, I did some research, and it's back again. These seeds are popping up all over the place. There was a theory a while ago saying that these seeds were sent out for promotional purposes, and some company was trying to get reviews, and it didn't make a lot of sense to me. But at any rate, it caught the attention of several attorneys generals, not attorneys generals. Let me see. I'm checking my notes here. This was the Texas Agriculture Department. That's where some of these seeds ended up landing, and basically they were saying the Department of Agriculture, period, all over, basically says if you receive a pack of these seeds, any of these seeds that you did not order, especially if they're coming from somewhere in China, do not plant them. Not only should you not plant them, do not open them. Now, so far, I don't know why this is coming, why this is back, why is this happening again, but these are the states that these seeds are showing up in this year. I'm talking like now. There are 14 states. I mean, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, West Virginia, where I am, Kentucky, Wyoming. I'm not going to read them all. You can see them right here. And this list is growing. So beware. If you receive these seeds in the mail, again, you probably want to contact your State Department of Agriculture and they will advise you on what to do with them. Like I said, mine, I these are pretty old now. I did not open them. Obviously did not plant them. I had them actually in a sandwich bag, and that's where they stayed all this time. So the Department of Agriculture is saying exercise extreme caution. Their words, not mine. Take this matter seriously. So you can Google this, and if you Google mysterious seeds from China, this information will come up. Now, here's the last bit. I guess probably the important bit. Even though most of these seeds turned out to be, pretty generic, just general seeds that you plant for food, they have been finding something called Indian lotus seeds. This is important because Indian lotus seeds are highly invasive, especially when they're near areas that have water. These seeds grow quickly, they last for years and years, and they choke out a lot of the other plants that are in the area. So they will not only take over where you're planting them, they will also, in a lot of cases, kill out your normal plants. So yeah, I would say this is important. So that's pretty much what I had to tell you guys. I will be back with my regular video, gardening over 40, in a few days, but I felt that it was important enough to make this video because this is the time of year everybody's out planting, and we all like free. So in the event that you get seeds in the mail, you might think, oh, I'll plant these and see what it is, because it doesn't tell you what it is. You'll find out after it starts to grow in your garden, and in that case it may be too late. So okay, this is the Frugal Gardener. Thank you for spending a couple of some time watching this video. Please pass this on. Please repost this. Please tell your friends, your relatives, your neighbors, your co-workers, and let everybody know what's going on here, because this thing could get out of hand if this time around what they send is more dangerous than the first time around. Okay, so catch you guys on the next video. You have a great day.